How to create a catalogue. Create the product catalogue to sell the same products at a different price or quantity. Go to Catalogues and assign a name to the catalogue, for example, Resellers Catalogue. Click on Edit Product List, check the prices to include in the catalogue, and click on Save Changes. You can automatically apply a price variation in euros or percentage to all products. Click on Apply a text variation. Enter a value and click on Save. To manually edit the price, go to the product you want to modify and change the price. Click Save to save the changes. To make the products in the catalogue visible, remember to insert the product screen component on the dedicated page. Click on the product screen component and go to Edit Screen. Go to Advanced and click on Filter by Catalogue and select the catalogue you want to make visible.